Hello, I'm Hayley Jarville.
And I'm Hannah Clayton. Welcome to Bury Physiotherapy Clinic.
Bury Physiotherapy Clinic has been established since 1987, serving patients in Bury St Edmunds and the surrounding areas of West Suffolk. Our experienced chartered physiotherapists, sports massage therapists, personal trainers and nutritionists provide high-quality assessments and treatment for a variety of clinical conditions. Our musculoskeletal assessment and hands-on treatment lies at the heart of our clinic, but we also offer a range of specialist services such as women and men's health, dizziness and vestibular treatment, migraine, headache and facial palsy management, shockwave, acupuncture, occupational health physiotherapy, clinical Pilates, injection therapy, diagnostic ultrasound and neurological physiotherapy. We also offer a variety of long-term condition-specific exercise classes.
Most recently, we have introduced Footscan Gait analysis with Phits 3D printed orthotic prescriptions. Our aim is to facilitate patient recovery using a wide range of treatment techniques to help you return to and improve your fitness, whilst ensuring you know how to prevent or manage any future recurrence of your symptoms. The addition of the Footscan technology allows our clinicians to specifically identify the reasons for your symptoms by identifying where imbalances, movement dysfunction or asymmetries in load may be present in both upper and lower limb activities. It is these factors that often contribute to the presentation of pain and injury through repetition and overload activities. The system can be used for foot, ankle, knee, hip and back pain presentations. As part of the clinical assessment, Footscan measures pressure through feet or hands collected by over 8,000 pressure sensors. The data allows us to view real-time feedback during weight-bearing activities such as standing, walking, squatting, running and other sport-specific movements. For upper limb assessment and rehabilitation, the system can be used on the floor or at a raised height to establish weight distribution through the arm and shoulder complex. The data produced assists in making an accurate diagnosis of symptoms, as well as guiding exercise prescription or functional rehabilitation planning.
Footscan technology allows us to prescribe bespoke Phits 3D printed orthotics to suit your needs, providing subtle changes to the biomechanical function of the lower limb by offloading and or supporting certain structures within the foot and ankle. This positively influences lower limb function and helps to reduce symptoms of dysfunction, imbalance and pain. Phits can be used for a wide range of sports and activities, with specific designs available for walking, running, cycling and skiing to name a few. The orthotics can also be protected by D3O, the most advanced shock absorbing top cover available, which reduces impact forces whilst optimising comfort. Previously in clinic we have used traditional moulded or foot cast systems for orthotic prescription, but that method of assessment is limited to a static foot impression and based on visual assessment. The Footscan technology gives functional and dynamic movement assessment, providing far greater accuracy in your prescription.
Footscan provides advanced 2D and 3D visual analysis of static, balance and dynamic measurements, with graphs and pressure images that help to explain the results and how your treatment will be focused to enhance your foot mechanics. The visual aspect of this equipment allows us to conduct a more reliable gait and movement analysis than treadmill-based visual assessment. Phits Orthotics and the Footscan Gait analysis technology are trusted by a wide number of British and world champion athletes, and we are proud to offer the same award-winning technology to our patients in the local area. For more information or to book an appointment, please visit www.buryphysio.co.uk, call 01284 748 200 or email admin@buryphysio.co.uk.